Welcome friends, welcome back to my another Clean Planet Walk. How are you all my dear friends? I hope all are well and I am also good. And you know I am Abdul Islam from Tangail district of Bangladesh. Friends, today is Tuesday 16 November 2021, now morning time. This Tuesday morning I am visiting a natural place. Uh, Actually it is a garden area. Here is a many type of green nature. Friends, this morning I visiting this place and I saw here is a some polluted garbage and plastic. So now I collected that polluted garbage and plastic and that garbage to in the dustbin. তো বন্ধুরা আজকে মঙ্গলবার সকালে প্রকৃতির এক স্থানে এসেছি, বাগানের একটি অংশে এসেছি। এখানে সবুজ প্রকৃতি আছে। এখানে পরিদর্শনের সময় আমি বেশ কিছু দূষিত আবর্জনা দেখতে পেয়েছি। এগুলো আমি এখন সংগ্রহ করে ডাস্টবিনে নিক্ষেপ করব। তো চলুন বন্ধুরা পরিষ্কার মিশন শুরু করি। লেটস গো ফ্রেন্ড, ক্লিনিং মিশন স্টার্ট নাও। Friends, this natural place, garden area, here is a many type of green nature. I saw here is a one plastic bottle. Friends, I collected this bottle. Friends, this plastic very bad for our green nature, our environment. So I always try to collect plastic from nature, from green nature, from our environment. Another plastic here. Friends, you know I always try to save our nature, our garden, our environment. Another plastic here. Another one. These are very bad plastic. Beautiful green nature here. Friends, stock this garbage and collected another garbage. Let's go. Friends, let's we all save our green nature, our environment. This plastic really bad for our nature, our green nature. One plastic stuck in soil, মাটির নিচে আটকে আছে। এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করলাম। দেখেন, very bad plastic. এটা মাটির নিচে আটকে ছিল। Another plastic here. Another one. এটা stuck in soil, মাটির নিচে আটকে আছে। এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। Friends, this plastic really bad. Another plastic, মাটির নিচে আটকে আছে। এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। I saw here is a plastic bottle. This is a very bad plastic bottle. কেউ খারাপ ফেলে দিয়ে গেছে। এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম, দেখতে পাচ্ছেন। Another plastic here. Friends, my cleaning mission is finished. I collected some polluted plastic bottle or garbage. I collected that polluted garbage from this natural place. এখান থেকে আমি আবর্জনাগুলো সংগ্রহ করেছি। দেখতে পাচ্ছেন আপনারা, beautiful place, beautiful green nature place. I collected that polluted garbage from here. Friends, and a bag in my hand, all garbage tune this bag. Let's go. ভিডিও করে। Friends, this garbage is really bad for our nature or environment. So I always try to collect polluted garbage, polluted plastic from nature. And finally I will say, let's all save our green nature and our environment. Friends, all garbage tune this bag complete. Now we stop this bag. Friends, complete garbage bag. Now this bag tune the dustbin. Let's go, friends. Friends, this our dustbin. This garbage bag tune this dustbin. Thank you so much, friends. And this was my nature cleaning mission in Tuesday morning.